We often chase the next best product, but forget that sometimes the most powerful things are the simplest, like the oils that come straight from nature itself. They carry wisdom older than any brand could ever create, and when you truly learn how to use them, they become one of your greatest gifts for both your hair and your body. Hi, my name is Lita and welcome to Natural Hair Motivation. On this channel, we talk about natural hair in a deeper, more empowering way. It is not just about products, it is about mindset, consistency, and love. Today, I want us to slow down a bit and talk about something timeless, the beauty and the strength hidden in natural oils. I know this is another hair oil video, but to be honest, we will never stop talking about the magnificence of natural oils. Yes, I love hair oils so much and you should too. The idea of making another video about this subject occurred to me while I was massaging my scalp with a blend of almond oil and castor oil. The thing is, I regularly massage my scalp with oils, and for the last few months, I had been using a blend of oil that I did myself. There are at least 8 to 10 different ingredients in my mixture, and it is doing so much for my hair. It is really helping my hair. But lately, my scalp was a little bit itchy. It was that persistent that I was contemplating the possibility to go see a dermatologist. But I decided first to try to figure out on my own what was happening with my scalp. But please understand that my goal is not to dissuade anyone to seek medical care when you need it, but rather to help you understand how amazing and important natural oils are. So about my scalp, I tried and researched about different things, and one night I remembered that I had some castor oil that I could massage my scalp with. I also remembered some of the benefits of castor oil and sweet almond oil for the scalp. I told myself that maybe they would help. So I decided to mix a bit of castor oil with a bit of sweet almond oil with equal parts for each to make my scalp massage easier, because as you know, castor oil is a thick oil. And let me tell you, the moment I started to apply the oils on my scalp, I felt it instantly. I kid you not. Right away, my head felt lighter. The itchiness became less and less, and I could even breathe better. And the way I can explain it to you is that in the moment, it felt like it was exactly what my scalp and my hair needed. I was amazed to see and feel the effect of the oils on my scalp. In the end, I was so happy I listened to my intuition to apply castor oil and almond oil on my scalp. It was just what my hair needed. While I cannot tell you exactly what was my problem and what the oils did exactly, I can tell you why I think they helped my scalp, because they sure did help my scalp. Castor oil is one of those ancient oils that women have used for centuries, especially for their hair and skin. It is thick, yes, but that thickness comes with richness. Castor oil is full of ricinoleic acid, which helps improve blood circulation to the scalp. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your hair follicles, which encourages growth and strengthens the roots. It also has strong antifungal and antibacterial properties that help fight scalp irritation and dandruff, which might explain why my itchiness faded so quickly. Another beautiful thing about castor oil is how it seals in moisture. It creates a soft protective layer over the hair and scalp, preventing dryness, which is often one of the reasons our scalp becomes uncomfortable or tight. That heaviness I was feeling could have been my scalp asking for balance, and castor oil brought that harmony back. Sweet almond oil, on the other hand, feels like a gentle whisper. It is lighter but still deeply nourishing. It contains vitamin E, magnesium, and fatty acids that soothe and soften the scalp. It helps calm irritation and reduces inflammation, which could be why my scalp started to feel peaceful almost immediately. It is said that almond oil also helps dissolve any buildup on the scalp, things like residue from heavy oils or products, which can sometimes cause itchiness and that dull feeling. What I love about almond oil is how it brings shine without heaviness. It makes the scalp and hair feel nurtured but not coated. It balances what castor oil offers. In my opinion, and from what I have seen, together they work beautifully. Castor oil strengthens and protects, while almond oil soothes and softens. When you mix them in equal parts, like I did, they create a blend that has both power and grace, one that feeds your scalp and still feels light enough for a gentle massage. This small experience reminded me once again that oils are not just extra steps in our routines. They are nature's medicine and nourishment. When we learn to listen to our scalp and understand what each oil that we have can do, what each oil does, we can respond with care instead of panic. Every natural oil carries its own story and energy. Some ground you, others calm you, and some bring vitality and strength. That is why I say that knowing your oils is an act of self-love and wisdom, and making sure that you have good quality 100% natural oils is a must. This is a reminder for you to not sleep on your hair oils and to make sure you know them well. The oils that you have around you, where you live, make sure that you know them well and that you have good quality hair oils. Yes, make sure that you have good quality hair oils. Oils that are 100% natural. You can learn about them one by one. You never know when you might need them to rescue you. Good quality hair oils should be your best friend as a woman. See them as liquid gold that you need to cherish. Yes, they are liquid gold that we need to cherish, especially as women. I hope this encouraged you to see your hair oils with new eyes and to feel their power in your hands again. Remember, your hair is not a problem to fix. It is a part of you to nurture. Protect it, love it, and be consistent. You are beautiful and your hair is a reflection of that. I will see you in the next video. Take care, my beautiful ladies.